Hey, Diana! Little help here? Look out! What are you doing? Diana! Damn!
Tough old bugger.
Hey! You gonna help?
1 second.
Up you go. I need your hack in here. On it!
Look out!
Glad that's over with.
Me too.
So what were you working on there?
That's a secret. I'll tell you later.
First, we get the power on. Let's move. Don't look now, but we got company.
You really sure you work here?
What? This is my fault?
Your gun alone won't work. Look out for its targeting sensor. Hacking online.
Oh, good work. It's locked.
I can open it.
Emergency lockdown for this area has been disabled. To restore full functionality, please reboot the main power terminal on the top floor.
There we go. First one down.
Use that one up close.
I knew it.
On it. Get ready. Look out for its targeting sensor.
Leave the shooting to me. Take that. That it? So where to?
I don't know. Try scanning. Q, there's a terminal.
Emergency lockdown for this area has been disabled.
That's two.
One more to go. Got it! We can use this to hit harder and beat things faster.
Intruders detected. Please remove them from the premises.
Eat us again. Like a damn rat in a maze.
It really doesn't like you, huh?
Whatever. Let's just get this over with.
I got it!
This frickin' thing is tough as hell.
It's way stronger than the
this?
We did it!
Bots did all the work, leaving him bored to tears. Man, cry me a river.
Are you bored too, Hugh?
Nah, I'm good. Kinda hard to get bored keeping up with your chit-chat.
That's a lot of limb.
Emergency lockdown for all on-site locations has been disabled. Please complete a manual reboot of the power plant controller to fully restore operations.
Alright, we made it. Now where do we find the main power terminal?
This will make it easier to hit things harder. Wow! More limb!
fuck's going on with the bots here? They all got haywire or what?
I don't think they normally attack humans.
Yeah, well... we better get in contact with Earth before it's too late.
Walkers are pretty crazy. From handling small stuff to knocking out big tasks, they got it covered.
There are no kids here, but if there were, they could probably handle them, too. And with Edith managing the lot, they're always there when you need them.
Man, what should we do? It's just so much easier to let the walkers handle it.
Well, I mean, there's still plenty of work that only a human can do. Like thinking up new innovations, or new business ventures to explore. But anyway, enough slacking. Time to get back to crunching those lab results.
Look, you, look! Defenses are down. There.
No one here either. Damn. I gotta hurry and contact Earth. I hope dropping down here somehow leads us back up to the top floor.
Maybe there's an elevator up ahead. That's a lot of lip.
Intruders detected. Please remove them from the premises.
Look out for its targeting sensor. Initiated. Something's aiming at us. Shoot now! Watch out! There's more! I got it! That one's not that good at long distances. I'll hack the lift if you're ready. Are we there yet?
Not sure. Starting to feel a bit lost.
We can restore the power with that terminal.
Oh, finally.
Lockdown disengaged. Reconnecting primary power. Energy levels at 30%. 40%. 50%. 60%.
Warning. Unauthorized access detected. Severing primary connection. This is Edith. Unregistered guests are forbidden from this area. Initializing sector guard protocol. Scanning. Targets identified. Neutralizing threats.
Neutralize? Us?
Looks like we're gonna have to fight our way through. Get ready. Any idea what the hell this is?
Never seen it before.
So it's not one of your pot buddies? Then I guess we can just go in blasting.
Be careful.
Where'd they get all those missiles?
They were made with Luna things.
Lucky us, right?
Starting.
Get to it!
Let me try! Overdrive protocol initiate.
Whoa! Where did that come from?
I think it really did something!
Yeah, not bad. Now it's my turn.
Be careful! Charging, Dad!
Stubborn hunk of junk. Not bad.
You! Close in on him! Now's your chance!
Take this!
On it! We're so close! Just a little bit more!
Alright, time to kick this bucket. Leave the shooting to me. It's over.
Energy levels restored.
Yeah, baby. We did it! This is how we say, good job. All right. Time's up, kiddo. Show me what you were working on.
Okay. Here, take a look.